Hello friends, I am Chintan Joshi from Nalanda Vidyalay, Virpur Morbi. In the subject business studies, let me recall that we have completed two chapters in our discussion. In the video series, we have completed second chapter, the principle of management. And from today itself, we are going to start our new chapter, chapter number 3, that is business environment. Certain topic of the discussion in the chapter are, first of all, introduction of and meaning, number 2, features, number 3, importance, number 4, dimensions of business environment, number 5, economic environment in India. Last one is number 6, impact of government policy, changes on business and industry. Let me start chapter number 3, business environment, with our first topic, introduction and meaning. First of all, introduction. Success of every business depends on its internal management, but it may get affected by external forces like government policies, action of competitors, consumers, suppliers, court of law, media, other institutions, etc. Let me discuss this first paragraph. First of all, we know that our business is going to be successful depending on our internal management. The internal management is strong as the ratio of success will be high of our business. But some external forces like government policies, actions of competitors, consumers, suppliers, court of law, media, other institutions also affect to our business. Second paragraph. Although all these forces exist outside the business boundaries, yet they influence the performance of business enterprises. We know that these external forces are not a part of our business. They are outside the business organization. They are the external boundaries, but still they influence of the performance business enterprise. Thus, the economic, social, political, technological and other forces may operate outside a business enterprise but are a part of forces business environment. For example, number 1, an increase in tax rate by government directly increases the cost of production, leading to increase in price, which may result in fall in demand. Let me discuss. If government is increasing tax rates, it is directly going to increase the production cost. And if production cost is going to increase, it is going to lead increase in price. If we are going to increase our price, simple rule of demand and price will be applied over here. Price of the product is going to be increased by us, then demand of the same product by the customers will be decreased, will be fall. Number 2, change in the price offered by competitors directly affects the demand of business enterprise. A business might have to reduce its price to meet competition or maintain market share, which may result in reduced profit margin. If our competitors are reducing their prices, right, what is going to be happen? Normally customers will choose to buy their products. So at the time of reduction by the competitors, we have to compete our competitors, and for that we are also going to reduce the price of our products so that we can survive into the market, we can balance, we can maintain the market share, our portfolio. If we are going to reduce our prices in the competition of our competitors, our individual profit margin are also going to be reduced. Number 3, any adverse campaign about product by an NGOs or negative advertising from the consumers will adversely affect the demand. Say for example, if we are producing tobacco products and if NGO are going to have campaigning against the tobacco products, what is going to be happen? Customers are going to be aware not to have tobacco, and if they are going to be aware, they will consume less tobacco, and it is going to affect our production and sales. Number 4, political instability creates insecurity and fear in the mind of investors. When the government is not stable, always investors will feel fear and insecurity while they are going to have investment in the particular segment. So this way, different kind of external forces are going to affect our business. Let me have the exact definition and meaning of business environment. The term business environment means sum total of all individuals, institutions and other forces that are outside the control of business enterprises but that may affect its performance. Over here, important keywords to remember for the definition are: number 1, sum total of all outside forces, sum total of all outside forces. Number 2, which are not in our control, which are out of the control. And number 3, that are going to affect our business performance. Thus, the economic, social, political, technological and other forces which operates outside a business enterprise are part of business environment. So, in the remembering part for the definition, we can say that the term business environment is sum total of individuals, institutions and other forces that are outside the control of business enterprise but that may affect to business performances. Hope so. In today's video session, in the starting of chapter number 3, business environment, we are clear with the introduction and meaning of business environment. Still, in these 2 topics, if you have any doubts, please feel free to contact me. In our next video, we are going to discuss our next topic. Thank you, friends.